Okay, this is the homework textbook page 109, questions 1 through 4, and the worksheet questions 1 through 5. Copy each figure and draw straight lines to divide to describe two ways to find the area of each figure. So divide the figure into a rectangle and two triangles. The best way to do that is to split them here. See if I can make something real quick just so that it catches your eye. So the best way to do that is to divide it down this line and this line. That gives you two triangles and a rectangle. Now, it says that you have to be able to describe two ways to find each figure. So, it says the book gives the answer sum of areas of two right triangles and the rectangle. Okay, so you could add these together. That's one way. The other way is just to take the height times the base. So area equals base times height. That's another way of solving it. So there's two different ways. The next one, divide the figure into a rectangle and two right triangles. Let's make a copy of this. Okay, so here's the rectangle, and here's the two right triangles, so it's split up. They did the area of a trapezoid and then adding all of this together, so that works. Divide the figure into a rectangle and a right triangle. They showed that you could do the area of a trapezoid because we have one set of parallel sides. Now this would be base 1 right here, and this would be base 2. You'd add them together, multiply the height by 1/2, and then multiply that together. Or you could find the area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle. Copy each figure and draw straight lines to divide. Describe a way to find the area. They split that off. You got your right triangle there. This says the sum of the areas of the triangle and the rectangle. I'm looking at it and I don't, well, you could use, yeah, that's going to be the best way, is to, unless you did something like this, where you put a line through here and you had another trapezoid, but that's going to be about the best way to do it. Next, it says draw straight lines to divide each figure. Describe two ways to find the area of each figure. All right, so number one, you could do base times height, and then they wanted it into two triangles. So if you split it down the middle, there's one triangle, two triangles, and then obviously you would just add the areas of the triangles together. This one, same idea. You would do 1/2 base times the sum of the bases, which works out okay because it's a trapezoid, but then you could also do the area of both triangles. Divide the figure into two isosceles triangles, two right-angled triangles, and a trapezoid. This one was tough. I left it on there because I figured you guys could do the challenge. So divide the figure into an isosceles triangle, two right triangles, and should say, and a trapezoid. Okay. So the sum of the area of the 5 identical triangles. So they didn't go far enough. They have 1, 2, 3. They should have another one like this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 identical triangles. So you would add them all up. Then that's one way. I would probably just pull that out, find the area of this, add the area of each one of these. You should have it describing one way of doing that, but I do like the fact that you could do all triangles. Draw a straight line to divide. Describe a way to find the area of each figure. You could split this in half and then add the sums of the two trapezoids. And then this one, you could do area of a trapezoid, area of a triangle. So believe that that's the last portion. Yep, that's it. So hope this helps, guys. Have a good one.